Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the power of compounding in the stock market. Compounding is one of the most powerful concepts in investing. Albert Einstein once famously said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Compounding is simply the process of reinvesting the profits earned from an investment to generate even more profits over time. In the stock market, this can lead to massive returns over long periods of time. So, let's dive in and understand the power of compounding in the stock market. Example: let's say you invest $10,000 in the stock market with an annual return of 10%. After the first year, your investment would be worth $11,000. If you reinvest that $1,000 profit, in the second year, you would earn a 10% return on the total amount of $11,000, which would give you $1,100 in profit. Now, if you continue to reinvest your profits each year, you will start to see exponential growth. After 10 years, your initial investment of $10,000 would be worth $25,937, and after 20 years, it would be worth $67,275. This is the power of compounding. The longer you stay invested, the more time your money has to compound, and the greater your returns can be. Benefits. There are several benefits to compounding in the stock market. One of the biggest advantages is that it allows you to grow your wealth over time without having to do anything. You simply reinvest your profits and let your money work for you. Another advantage is that it can help you to mitigate risk. By reinvesting your profits, you can take advantage of the ups and downs of the stock market. Even if the market has a down year, your reinvested profits can continue to grow, helping to offset any losses. Conclusion. In conclusion, the power of compounding in the stock market cannot be overstated. By reinvesting your profits, you can turn a small initial investment into a large sum of money over time. The key is to stay invested for the long term and let your money work for you. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.